So make sure to smash the like button under the video, make sure to subscribe, let's get 10,000 subscribers, and also turn your post notifications on. What's going on, guys? It's Unpredictable back again with a brand new video, and today I'll be showing you how you can actually make money through a website at home, sat on a desk just like me, and making money by sitting doing basically nothing once you get set up. So basically all you've got to do is have your iPhone device. So you can only have laptop, something with an internet, and it's so simple, it's unbelievable. So as you can see, a quick search in Google, which link down below in the description, will be Royal URLs. Definitely recommend this website. So basically going on the website, you can get this website. It's pretty much the same thing on my laptop right now. However, I'm doing it on my iPhone device. Create an account, shorten a link, earn money, same thing here, which is incredible. All you got to do is shorten a link, share it, make money, simple as. So here we go. What is Royal URLs? How much do you make? 20% referral bonus. So the more people you refer, the more bonus you get for lifetime, literally. Feature administration panel, detailed statistics, a low minimum payout, which is $10 actually, which is fairly high, but regarding like how well the website is maintained, the high kind of performance of the website, Royal URLs, I do understand the $10 minimum payout threshold. Definitely recommend the highest rates, IPA, which is incredible. You can actually just shorten an entire website of links in just a second. Literally, it's crazy. The support system is amazing as well. It does very good. 24 to 12 hours to get response back from the support team. You can email them here. Let's make it happen. If you have any questions, support Skrill, PayPal, and WebMoney. So yeah, get terms and conditions, Facebook and Twitter. So all you got to do is click this button, go to payout rates. Actually, the payout rates are incredibly high, exceeds to $6.30. Actually, it was incredible. And you get a bunch of others: Germany, Canada, Australia, France, United Kingdom, Turkey, Kenya, and Saudi Arabia, also worldwide, and with the pop-ups. And then you can get to blogs. You can actually read a few blogs. They have not that many actually, they only have one, but yeah, soon a new mod to come up. Go to my account, you get change the language obviously, and you can also sign up, which is the main thing. So clicking on sign up, this is what you do: sign up, register, and yeah. So if that's what you want to make money, you just sign up. I definitely recommend it. But if you just want to use it for kind of shortening services, click on this, your URL here. Let's type in Google as an example. I definitely recommend you sign up first so you can actually start making money. Otherwise, through here you will not make money. So click on shorten, this button at the arrow, and there we go. The URL is shortened. Click on copy, copied, and then paste it inside your web browser. I recommend to share it through Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Share it anywhere where you get most clicks. The more clicks that your URL gets, the one you just shared, shortened, the more money you make. So click on I'm not a robot. Click on I'm not a robot as I did, and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's straightforward. You don't have to do it, otherwise like other people have to do it. Wait 10 seconds. After wait 10 seconds, all you got to do is please wait. There will be a button that says get link. There we go. 3, 2, 1, 0. Get link. There we go. And you are redirected to either there will be pop-ups as you are. So it works perfectly. That is actually Pornhub site. There we go. Perfect. So Royal URLs, definitely recommend it. If you want to make money, yeah, the link is down below in the description. It's your way to start making money through PayPal, easily, very fast, very efficient. Go here. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, share this video as well, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Adios.